Hello, it's Alice Rhodes Arts, and today's our first ever unboxing / review video for this channel. I got in the mail my first ever Lolita dress. It's not the first one I've ordered, but it's the first one to show up. I got this dress off of Lace Market, which is a website where you can go to sell people will sell their old dresses, or you can buy from those pre-owned dresses. So if you're looking for one that's from a while back, you can check on there to buy it pre-owned. And this is one of my dream dresses. So I went and made a list of all the dresses that came out over the years that I wanted. And this is the one I ordered first. And it just came out today. With this website, I had no issues using it. Everyone responded really quickly, and it didn't take long to find what I was looking for and for a price range that I was okay with. The seller I talked to, that I got this from, was very good at responding quickly. When I asked for more pictures, they sent me more pictures, and I was very thankful for that. So definitely worth going to Lace Market to order from there. So that's with the dress. So I got the honey cake brown and the tan color. It's an Angelic pretty dress. So I bought the JSK, and they also had the headband. So I got both the headband and the JSK. Oh, they also gave me a little thank you card. Oh, and a little bonus, that is a lady sloth pin. So cute. Now for the dress. Okay, so this came with tags and everything attached, so they didn't really wear it much. So it's basically brand new, and it is in perfect condition. It's just beautiful. Everything that I hoped it to be. Gorgeous. Yeah, and they were just really good. Responding really quickly, so I saw everything okay. A great seller. I got everything came out exactly as they said it was. Everything's in great condition. It got to me in no time at all. You gave me this little bonus, so super great seller. We'll link them down below. Also, I'll link Lace Market down below. And now let's go look at some detailed shots of this dress. As you can see here, you see how beautiful this print really is. And you can tell that this dress is in perfect condition. It's almost like I bought it brand new. It's definitely worth the purchase. And it's just so beautiful. I see all the ribbon work and the lace. Even the lace has little like pancakes and ribbons on it. Yep, and then I went ahead and did some coordinates with this. I don't actually have that many Lolita like blouses, so I have a lot of black, so I went ahead and tried to pair it with black. I don't know if it worked or not, but I gave it a shot. I also paired it with this red turtleneck I have, which is pretty cute. It's a nice, lighter, more casual Lolita. I don't know if I like the knitted socks I went with. But overall, this is a good first attempt at a coordinate with this dress, and it shows how nicely the dress fits. It was so comfortable. Everything worked out perfectly. I'm very happy with this dress. Definitely recommend shopping on Lace Market. That's it for this video. Farewell for now.